locker room na 'n harde game teen die Reds. Goeie wen gehad en ek moet sê daar's 'n lekker vibe in die locker room en dit gaan goed. Ja, ek sien baie uit nou oor sê dit sal my eerste toer wees, so ek sien regtig baie uit. En ek dink ons gaan om die werk te gaan doen daar, ja.
Guys, it was a great evening coming to Loftus. It's both my boys' first time to be here. A full circle for myself. The first time I came here was when I was 7. Josh is 6 now. They got their jerseys. Mom even got her jersey on today. And it was an awesome game to watch. We'll be supporting you guys and watching you guys on your trip now, going on tour. We're wishing you all the best and yeah, just keep the momentum going and fast bait, guys.
Going on tour is always tough, but we know you can do it. Make us proud, guys.
Baie sterkte vir die oorseese toer en lekker rus vir die volgende week en so. En ons is hier vir julle, is lekker ondersteuning. Is lekker gewees vanaand. Blou bo.